English for ministers, English for ministers' employees.
English Without Borders, capacity building opportunities for English teachers.
The English program for journalists, accessible for all media employees.
Between the Lines, 2-week cultural exchange program for young and aspiring writers.
English Resource Center with access for the modern teaching resources for 65 English teachers.
Fulbright Tea, Media Literacy, improve critical thinking and media literacy. Open Program, online professional English network, promote English teaching skills online.
English Teacher Mentor Program, professional development for English teachers.
Access Micro Scholarship Program.
Free English courses for students.